Very hot.
It's hot. Yes, it's hot. It's hot.
I know it's hot. Nakuha mo na sa kanina. Hmm.
So hot na po. Why don't you wear your sunglasses?
Yun ang downtown ng
Why don't you wear your sunglasses?
San Francisco.
Yes. And this is Papang Dali. This is Daddy and the more. And this is Papa. And that's a statue over there. What does it say here about the statue? Okay, it says, what does it say more? Merchant Marine. There you go.
Okay. Gusto nyo amor maglakad
Kaya
doon
mo?
sa taas? Gusto mo maglakad doon sa ano?
Say hi.
Want to go in the
In the top of the mountain?
In the taas. You want to go in the
Gusto mo
taas?
sa taas?
Oh, sige. Oh, sige.
Babalik na kami. Galing na kami dito sa kabila sa Golden Gate Bridge North. So, papunta naman kami ng Twin Peaks Tower. Okay, that's good. I got it. Okay, ikaw lang. Oh.
Picture daw, picture.
Ayan, picture.
Picture sa yung camera. Mukha nung ko siyang solo. Mukha nung ko siyang solo.
Ayan. Twin Peaks. Okay. Ba? Okay, I'll post you on YouTube. Okay, dance. Lagi. Okay. Okay.
Naka-jacket pa siya. Parang winter. Nakayo po.
Okay.
Alam mo, ang baga ng kapalipad sa lawas nila. Gusto nila magpagpahal. Ako, smile mo ka ng mami, Isa pa. Ready? Isa pa. 1, 2, ready? Ah.
Ayan. Ayan si Amor. Ayan. Galing kami dito sa Twin Peaks Tower. Ayan. Punta na kami ng Sierramonte galing ng Golden Gate Bridge. Punta sa Twin Peaks tapos Sierramonte.
Ito? This is big.
Good morning! We're going to walk to Fairyland! Today is May 30, 2009. Okay, so, mamaya naman.
Amor. Ito nakasuot na si Amor. Si Papa. Amor. Or here at Auckland. Regnard.
T-I-O-N? Resurrection. Yeah, sounds right. Right? R-E-S.
Double R, double C maybe, huh?
What did you put
I have
here?
R-E-S-U-R-R-E.
Oh, that's no T. Double C.
Oh, doubles. Okay.
Okay. And your name?
All right, Ray Chavez.
Ray Chavez Tribune.
Okay.
Okay, Ray. Thank you, Ray. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
Have a good day, Ray.
Thank you.
Say bye and thank you.
Bye.
Amor.
She's shy. She's a little bit shy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Tae, anak ka. Huwag mong pakan. O, halika na.
Start here. Hindi po. Amor! Yan si Papang and Amor. Yan, naglalakad kami dito sa Lake Merritt.
Si Amor, naglakad kayo.
Yeah, very good.
Amor walked today. Last year, she walks a little bit and she was in the stroller.
Yeah, nice. This is the view of Lake Merritt. Oh.
Mother Wright served thousands and thousands of meals to people in need in this community for the last couple of decades, and she was a wonderful symbol to all of us that you don't have to have $1 million to make a difference. You can simply have the heart of a millionaire, someone who's ready to open up their heart, work with people to get things done, and that's what she did for so many years.